Alright guys, so I've been driving for about 10 minutes now, and then the engine light never came on. Just around the block here, a couple blocks around the corner, nothing. You get the traction control blinking. This thing has a summer tire all season, so you lose a little bit of grip on the snow, packed snow. But the engine light never came back. That is some crazy stuff. I would suspect that it will come back, you know. But let's park on the side here and let's grab the scan tool and see what it looks like. Alright, so the value on this smoothness cylinders from 1 to 6 is pretty good. It's all same spec. Fuel injector timing, cylinder 1, 2.5 milliseconds, it's pulsing. Sparks advanced, cylinder 1, -6, -5. It's on idle, so a little retard time. So I don't know, I can feel a little bit of a jerk on the idle. The engine kind of jerk a little bit, like goes up and down the RPM by just a couple notch. There, right there. I'm gonna just put the rest of the spark plug and then go for a drive again, and let's see how it goes. Alright, let's go back to the garage. Alright guys, there we go. We're gonna change the rest of the spark plug on here. Make sure don't mix them up, all this coil right here, okay? 2, 3, 4, and 6 over there. I loosen up the spark plug already. That's hot. That's hot. Alright, here we go. I don't know what's wrong with my lights. Keep blinking. Oh, that's hot. I'll quickly show you guys focusing on each of the spark plug. Ah, hot. Ooh, damn. There's the number 2. Number 3. Number 4 right there. My light is blinking funny. And number 6 right there. It looks like, I bet you this is the original. Comparing the gap on this is really, it's really big of a gap. Alright, let's put a brand new one in. Alright guys, so all the spark plug brand new, all in there. So we're just gonna snug it up. It's about 12 to 18 inch-pounds on this. Just go by feel, don't go crazy. If you go in spec, I'm guessing it's about 26 to 24 inch-pound. So just go nice and snug. I don't have a torque spec that go that low. Okay, so there you go, nice and snug. Like I said, don't mix up the coil. It goes exactly where the hole is. Sometimes there's some misfire and you could move them around and the misfire problem will move somewhere else. This part I like to use soft hammer, push it in all the way. There's no like a bracket or a bolt to hold this thing down. Double check, make sure it lined up to the hole. Good, and good. All right, let's go for a test drive again. Alright guys, so I've been driving for a while now. It's longer than before. This time's about 15 minutes of about driving after changing all those 6 spark plugs. It seems like it's driving okay, no hesitation. Let's park right here and see how it feels. Oh, look at that. Engine light came on. What the heck? That sucks. Alright, let's grab a scan tool here and let's see what's that engine code came up again. There it is. Brand new spark plug. It's still misfiring. Alright, we're gonna go back in the garage. We're gonna find out again what's going on here. I'm gonna do a cylinder compression test on that number 1. I could go for injectors and fuel pressure. Alright, so driving for a while into the garage. So I set this up here. You can see number 1 and number 5. The spec on this is negative 2.00 up to plus 2.00. So you can see from 2 to 6 they're okay, except number 5 is 0.60 to 80, really low compared to 2 to 4 to 6. And number 1 here is way out. Misfire code number 1 is way out. It's way over 2 point something up to like 3. Wow. You can see only activation is number 5 from 5 cylinder. From 2 to 6, that's 5. And the ECU shut the number 1 because there's a problem on number 1. So it's only running on 5 cylinder right now. So let's do compression test on the number 1 spark plug, and then we'll do the fuel test. So stay tuned. Thumbs up. We'll continue diagnosing on this BMW N52 engine. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys again on our next one.